The steering wheel lock warning light on your dashboard indicates an issue with your vehicle's steering lock system. This orange light shows a steering wheel with a padlock symbol, signaling that the security and safety feature needs attention. Modern vehicles use electronic steering column locks, or ESCL systems. These sophisticated systems are integrated with keyless entry, push-button start, and anti-theft systems, and have become standard in most cars manufactured after 2020. The warning light appears in two different states. A solid light usually indicates a system malfunction or that the lock is currently engaged. A flashing light signals a communication error between components or partial engagement of the locking mechanism. Begin troubleshooting by checking your Smart Key's battery. Smart Key batteries should be replaced every 2 to 3 years. Try using a spare key if available, and ensure the key is properly positioned when attempting to start the vehicle. Gently move the steering wheel left and right while turning the key or pressing the start button. This can help release a binding lock mechanism. Avoid using excessive force, as this could damage the steering column components. Check your car battery's voltage using a multimeter. The minimum voltage should be 12.4 volts for proper system operation. Inspect battery terminals for corrosion, which appears as white or green buildup. Clean corroded terminals and test the alternator output to ensure the charging system is working properly. If these basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the steering wheel lock warning light, you'll need to proceed to more advanced diagnostic procedures, including OBD2 scanning and ESCL module testing. Advanced troubleshooting begins with an OBD2 scanner to identify specific error codes. The most common steering lock codes include P5113, PU512, B2799, and B2798. The P05112 code specifically indicates a starter request circuit issue, often related to the steering lock system preventing engine start. Next, test the electronic steering column lock module. Check the power supply, which is typically 12 volts, and verify communication with the vehicle network. Some manufacturers provide manual override procedures for emergency release. These procedures vary by model and should only be used when necessary. To reset the steering lock system, try disconnecting the battery for 15 to 30 minutes. You can also perform a key cycle procedure specific to your vehicle model. In complex cases, dealer-level diagnostic equipment may be needed to reprogram the ESCL module and synchronize it with the immobilizer system. ESCL module replacement can be expensive, ranging from $800 to $2,500, including programming. Always exhaust software solutions before considering hardware replacement.